Hello, so it is 2 days before the Adobe live stream and we basically decided that I would be doing the 3 facts 1 face about me. Over the weekend been asking friends, you know, talking to Jack, asking what facts I should say about myself, and I've got a few now. I'm going more like basic facts that are more visually open to interpretation, essentially. The facts that I've got at the moment, which I've got more than one, I've got probably about 10 facts. I felt a bit insecure actually about saying these facts, but it's fine. So I love plants. I mean, my house is completely covered in plants, but although that's a really good one, I feel like it's quite generic. You know, it's not very personal about me, although visually it would look good. So I've got that one. Then I've got I love dogs. My favourite animal is my dog. Dogs are alive. Then I've got I loved thrift, charity shopping, car boot shopping, shopping for props, all different types of props, abstract prop, whatever it is. And I've got a bit of an obsession with chairs at the moment, so I'm thinking maybe I could use a chair, which I've acquired recently and it's in my favourite colour at the moment. So I'm thinking of using that. I love hosting parties. That's one of my favourite things to do, to decorate, to host a party, making people feel really comfortable, just having fun with friends. I think that's one of my favourite things to do ever. I also have super wild, vivid dreams, which is why my work is the way it is. I love hiking through mountains, woods, fields, anywhere, getting lost. It just makes me feel good. I think I might include that potentially, but I also love skiing, just being on the top of a mountain and like gliding down and just feeling like the really cold breeze in your face, and then going to get like a really nice hot drink after and just sitting down and being all cozy. That is one of my favourite things to do. So I'm potentially going to include like a mountain or a snowy mountain, but we'll see. I think today what I'm going to do is I'm going to gather loads of different stock photos and then come up with a few concepts, maybe a colour theme. So I've just drawn my first one. This is the chair over there. It's my favourite chair at the moment and it's also my favourite colour. We got it from Jack's stepmom's brother who was getting rid of it, and it is a bit battered, as you can see. It needs like scrubbing and stuff. Also the bottom bit needs completely redoing, but that's fine because I've got some foam for that, and then I need to redo this bit under here. But I think I'm going to take some photos of this outside today. Then I've got like all my plants, I mean, as you can see. But yeah, we've got loads of plants. So I'm going to go and take some pictures of those so that I can potentially use them like behind there. I've included the clouds here because actually a few weeks ago in lockdown I got some beautiful cloud pictures and stock photos which I could use. And then I was thinking of maybe putting myself on top of a mountain here, either a snowy mountain or a green mountain. A green mountain? I mean a hilltop. So yeah, that's my first idea. But I like how my head is sort of like almost like resting in the chair, which at the moment that's what I feel like this sort of represents. This is like my life at the minute. Something exciting happened last night. So my superbly amazing fantastic friend Abbie Thompson Design, she designed my logo yesterday. She sent me it and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's exactly what I wanted. So I said to her like loads of different things, including like colours and what kind of design I want, and then she just sort of ran with it, and I trusted her because she's so good. She's worked for so many amazing brands and people, and then she made this, which is a sort of little logo to go alongside it. When the studio is all set up, I've got like branding for it, which is great. I wanted to go for like the pink tones because at the moment that is one of my like favourite colours. I just feel like it's such a nostalgic colour for me, so I decided that that's the colour that I wanted to use. So like a variation of like a dark, super dark pinky purple to like a light pink. And then I wanted the pop of gold / yellow in it because it just adds that extra bit of fun to it. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. So thank you so much, Abbie. I will leave all her links below. She's amazing. If you need a logo, branding, anything, yeah, you need to go and check her out. started raining and it was really coming down. I've come inside. You can see all the raindrops on my glasses. I brought the palm leaf back in because it wasn't playing and it was a little bit windy, and so this was going all over the place. So I think I might need to shoot that either later on or tomorrow, but I'm just going to check the weather now and see. The other day I actually ran out of hard drive space, so I need to order some more. So I'm just going to do that now because I want to make sure that I've got all my stock images in one place, so when it comes to the stream I can just head to that hard drive and not get like lost in my others. Hopefully they'll come tomorrow, fingers crossed. Please come tomorrow. I've got 17 hard drives, which is ridiculous, but I have been doing this for well 8 years now. So yeah, I'm gonna go through all my hard drives and go through each individual shoot that I've done, you know, flick through them, see if there's any stock images so that I can use them, hopefully, so that I've got like a little bank to use in the live stream. So I came in for about an hour and it was raining, then it stopped raining, and it started raining again, then it stopped raining. So got the backdrop outside again, and what do you know? It starts raining again. So I decided to bring it inside, just using the front room with these windows. And it should be enough light, but you know, would have been better outside, but can't have everything, especially in the UK in September, because you never know what it's going to be like. So just going to gather loads of props, shoot loads of stock photos, and we'll be good to go, hopefully. Good morning, actually it's afternoon. Today I am shooting the pictures of my face for the 3 Facts 1 Face that I'm going to be editing tomorrow in the stream. So I've just done my hair, put a bit of makeup on, and now I'm going to go and shoot. I've got my facts and I've got my objects and stock photos. I spent quite a while doing some stock photos yesterday. And I spent quite a while going through all my hard drives and getting all the stock photos. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a little bit of a mock-up, just so I know that things will fit together, hopefully, and I'm not just going to be scrambling around for things to do in the live. But I think it'll be fine because I haven't got my studio yet. I've set up a little bit of a backdrop area in the front room. I'm going to shoot in quite a few different ways, maybe get some photos of my hair so that I can add those in. I'm going to stop playing with my hair now. I'm going to go and shoot some piggies. The dress that I had on had straps, and I need it so that this bit of my skin is clear, so just got changed. About to go live again for Adobe. I've set up my lights, I've got my microphone, water, edit on the screen, and we're ready to go.